Hey, have you ever stopped to think about how much your diet can impact your happiness? Well, get ready to be shocked by the answer. Studies have shown that what you eat can truly affect your mood and overall well-being. So, can what you eat truly affect your happiness? Let's find out together. Welcome to today's discussion on thriving with a plant-based diet and how it can boost your emotional well-being. We're diving into the powerful connection between what we eat and how we feel. Get ready to transform your life with the power of plants. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can feel overwhelming. Common challenges include a lack of knowledge about plant-based options, concerns about meeting nutritional needs, and social pressure from friends and family who might not understand or support this dietary choice. Let's explore the incredible benefits of adopting a plant-based diet for both our physical health and mental well-being. Plant-based diets can lower the risk of chronic diseases, boost energy levels, improve digestion, and enhance mood and cognitive function. By filling your plate with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, you're nourishing your body and mind with essential nutrients and antioxidants. Here's something amazing. Plant-based diets are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can improve your mood and reduce stress levels. By choosing plant-based foods, you're not only taking care of your physical health but also promoting emotional balance and mental clarity. It's a holistic approach to well-being that can lead to lasting happiness and vitality. In summary, a plant-based diet is about more than just food, it's about nourishing your body and mind with compassion and kindness. By choosing plant-based options, you can unlock the secret to a happier, more fulfilled life. Remember, what we put into our bodies directly impacts how we feel every day. Ready to embrace the power of plants? Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your daily routine. Share your experiences and journey towards happiness in the comments below. Let's support each other on this path to thriving on a plant-based diet. Click the link in the description to get started with our exclusive plant-based guide now. Eat well, feel great, and be happy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.